Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Bybit. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Bybit sign up. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.bybit.com/register. Then first, enter your email address. Then create a password with at least 8 characters and a combination of one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter and at least one number. Once you have created a password, then you can put down your referral code. Then you can create an account. This is how you can sign up to Bybit. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.